Changing the background of your Weebly website is an easy process and helps to personalize your site's design. Here's how you can change the background. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log in with your account. Open your website editor. From the dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the editor. Select the background area. To change the background of the entire site, click anywhere on the page where there is no content or element. This will allow you to edit the site background. If you want to change the background of a specific section, like the header or footer, click on that section to edit it. Change the background. In the left sidebar, look for the theme or background option. For a full page background, click on the background settings and select whether you want to upload an image, choose a solid color or use a gradient. To use an image, click Upload Image and select a photo from your computer or choose from Weebly's image library. You can also adjust the position, size, and repeat options of the image to fit your design. Save and publish. Once satisfied with the background change, click Save and then Publish to make it live on your site.